Have you ever thought about how much energy lies around you? In a forest, in the woods, in all the waste you can find? Did you ever wish you could use that energy instead of carrying uncomfortable gas tanks or trying to ignite a bonfire? It is definitely charming, but it is also smoky and dangerous. Now you can stop dreaming about it because we made it real. Anki Stove Wild is a revolutionary camp stove which can run with any kind of dry biomass. All you need is some branches, a small battery, or even a solar panel. What makes all the magic possible is a well-known technology named pyrolysis. But unlike traditional pyrolytic stoves, we found a way to make the process simple, stable, smoke-free, and totally awesome. Take a traditional fire. It burns strongly, but it wastes a lot of energy in smoke, while smoke itself has a lot of energy. What we do is transform all the biomass into energy. This way you get a clean and reliable flame wherever you want and for free. Yes, free energy. I'm talking about a powerful and professional flame you can use to cook for real and grill as a pro. Do you know which is the best part of all this? Using your stove, you're not only saving the environment, all the waste produced by the gas tanks or the production of charcoal, you're also avoiding the production of any pollution responsible for the greenhouse effect. But wait, there's more. What remains inside your stove when the fire is gone is a wonderful biochar, an incredible active charcoal that makes the ground better and more fertile. We designed our stove to be the best companion of your outdoor adventure. It is minimal, it is compact, and all the design features are strictly linked to its operation. We made it in 2 sizes to let you choose between portability and personal use, or base camp and a lot of power. Everything is made in Italy using the best materials to create a product that is really going to last forever. Anki Stove Wild has been made to let you live your adventures with a deeper contact with nature. Environment is our greatest treasure, and taking care of it is no longer a privilege, but an important duty. With Anki Stove Wild, you can do your part in saving our planet by taking no compromises.
Here in Anki Stove, we worked for more than 4 years to design a product which let us live off-grid and cook properly. As Italians, you know that we care a lot about healthy cooking. Our patent-pending technology reduces our dependency on fossil fuels and our impact upon the planet. We need your contribution to optimize our production line to share the Anki Stove technology worldwide with you, and thanks to your help, even with developing countries. We are Anki Stove. Thank you for your attention.
Audio has always been a huge part of our lives. I remember ever since I was a little kid, flipping through audio magazines, and then we always had the best speakers on the block. Later when I was a teenager, it was almost a daily ritual for my dad and I to close the door to the living room, turn off the lights, and just listen to music with the soft glow of the amplifier's LED. People rarely listen to music with that kind of focus these days, and that's what we want to bring back. That magic spark to the music that only a really high quality system can offer. That's why we founded Phoenix, why we created the Essence, and why we're doing this campaign, to bring back the magic of music. Long before we founded Phoenix, we've loved speakers, always been most passionate about them, because they're the only component in the audio chain that actually reproduces, which creates audio waves. From an acoustic point of view, it's the most important component to get right. From an engineering point of view, they're the most challenging, and as a design object, they're the most dominant out of any of the components. Phoenix was founded with the aim of providing exceptional quality and the best listening experience to as many customers as possible without compromises. With the shifts in listening habits over the past decade, something true not just among regular customers but audiophiles too, a regular speaker made no sense at all. We noticed the same thing with ourselves. We spent hours each day on the computer, listening to music, watching movies, YouTube videos, what have you. So it really had to be an active computer speaker system. The problem we found ourselves in was that there was no high-quality computer speaker system available on the market. Either you got the little speakers that come with your computer, or a big high-end system that doesn't even fit on your desk. So we decided we had to do it ourselves, and that's how the idea for Phoenix was born. Beauty and craftsmanship are not words that you hear too often nowadays, but to us they represent everything. They're our guiding principles, and we want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity to experience them in their own home. They all come together in a beautiful speaker system, already being hailed by the audio press as the world's best computer speaker system, the Essence. It's also quite likely the smallest high-end computer speaker system in the world, period. While the performance of the Essence is unquestionably high-end, it was really important to us that it be accessible to everyone, so the system was fully plug-and-play. Just connect a few cables and you're ready to listen. To make sure everything just works, we partnered with the best man in the business to help us design the custom electronics and DAC stage, Gordon Rankin. Gordon really knows his stuff, and the 24-bit 96 kHz DAC in the Essence is top-notch, state-of-the-art, using the latest technology from industry leaders. One of the secrets of the Essence is that it's the only high-end computer speaker system designed from the ground up to be a computer speaker system. If you want truly stellar performance from a small package, or have limited space in your home or office, there is no other option on the market for you. Everybody who hears the system is astounded at the clarity and power from such a small system, something possible thanks to a unique combination of technologies and methods found only in the Essence. In the back, you'll find input and mode buttons to switch between all of them, a 24-bit 96 kHz USB input for Windows and Mac computers, and it's driver-free, so you don't need to worry about installing any extra software. There's an optical input for televisions and Bluetooth receivers and many other digital devices, and RCA and 3.5mm analog inputs for turntables, your phone, and just about every other device you can think of. There's also a high-quality amplified headphone input and a subwoofer output. The speakers themselves are connected via a industry-first mini XLR speaker cable.
We are often asked how it is possible that our miniature Essence system is able to reproduce such explosive dynamics and incomparable holographic stereo imaging. The short answer is not easy, but I will try to explain what is it that makes Essence unique and how we apply the science and technology to make them sound so incredible. The first difference is in the driver. The driver is the heart of every loudspeaker, and its characteristics are largely responsible for the quality of the sound. Our custom Magic driver has been designed specifically for the Essence, and it is completely integrated coaxial unit with integrated midwoofer, tweeter and passive crossover. The coaxial arrangement allows the sound to radiate from one central point, which is known as a point source. This provides stable stereo imaging, regardless of the listener position. The second major difference is in the Essence cabinets. This image compares the beautiful and stylish Essence unit with typical active box unit made by well-known speaker manufacturer. The standard design utilizes separate woofers and tweeters which are unable to integrate acoustically at short distances. Standard box cabinets are made of MDF, which is foam-like compressed wood powder bonded by harmful chemical resins. It is cheap to manufacture, but the acoustic performance is far from ideal. In contrast, Essence cabinet panels are cast from special low-resonance aluminum alloy. Panels are interlocked by the use of our innovative and industry-first interlocking groove method. Panels interlocking prevents vibration of the panels and seals the cabinets from air leaks. The main reason our Essence cabinets are so rigid is the Phoenix compressed cabinet concept, another industry first. Pre-assembled panels are bonded together with tightening rods to form one almost solid block. We use a mechanical press to compress the panels during the assembly process and screw them together. After release from the press, the panels remain under constant tension so that the resonance vibration are reduced to absolute minimum. This is the main reason why Essence impresses with its unmatched clarity. Another industry first is Phoenix Modular Assembly System, or FMAS. To put it simply, the entire Essence units are assembled from identically pre-assembled modules. Each module or component is a part of the whole unit. In traditional box speaker, drivers, crossover, cabinet, port tube and electronics are all separate from each other and vibrate, interfering and causing distortion which blurs the sound. We use our proprietary bus tuning method, which allows the left and right units to work in sync by integrating the sound waves. It is mainly responsible for our system's amazing rhythm and timing. The integrated preamp board includes separate digital and analog pads, which is a very unique feature in the consumer audio product. This allows audiophiles to use Essence to enjoy fully analog sound from vinyl records and other analog sources without any digital processing.
If you've never heard a premium sound system before, the Essence will be a revelation. You'll hear things you never even knew were there, your music and films will take on a new dimension, and you'll become immersed with your sound like never before. Pretty soon you'll ask yourself how you ever lived without them. If we sold the Essence through the traditional distributor and dealer network, the price would be significantly higher, losing sight of our original aim of offering the best quality to as many customers as possible. By coming to Kickstarter, directly to our fans and customers, we're able to offer the Essence for less than half the price that we would otherwise be forced to. If you want the best desktop listening experience in the world and appreciate the beautiful design and bulletproof construction, look no further than the Essence. You'll get to experience some of the best stereo imaging on the market, a pure clear sound that rivals the best of the best at any price, and a system that will last a lifetime. Thank you for backing the Essence.
This is the EcoCube Air. The EcoCube Air is a desktop hydroponics greenhouse designed to improve your quality of life. It adds healthy air, smart light therapy, thriving greenery, and beauty to any space. Most houseplants don't thrive indoors. The EcoCube Air is the best solution for indoor gardening because it provides the perfect environment for plants to grow. The plants thrive by absorbing only as much nutrients and water as they need, with ebb and flow hydroponic technology, and uses 90% less water. The beautiful integrated LED lighting system provides the perfect spectrum of colors to support optimal plant health. The covered greenhouse maintains humidity and warmth for abundant greenery. We use a NASA-inspired plant medium to maximize root growth without messy soil, and a drain spout for easy water change. 2 integrated fans circulate air and feed CO2 to the plants, enhancing thigmomorphogenesis for super healthy stems and improved air quality. The air you breathe may be filled with mold, chemicals, and dangerous toxins. Our airflow system utilizes a 3-step filtration process. First, the air enters through a HEPA-like mechanical filter that removes dust, pollen, and mold. Next, the activated carbon filter removes harmful chemicals. Finally, the plant filters and oxygenates the air before being circulated back into your room. It also includes a humidifier. The smart LED light also simulates the cycle of the sun. Sunlight dictates your circadian rhythm, which tells you when to sleep and when to be awake. With increased exposure to computer, tablet, and phone screens today, our circadian rhythms have been completely thrown off. You can use the EcoCube Air to influence your own biological clock with the phone app. This helps you wake up feeling refreshed, alleviates insomnia, improves productivity, helps overcome jet lag, and helps prevent seasonal depression. The EcoCube Air combines form with function. The cost of individual products adds up in money, space, and time. One EcoCube Air solves all these needs at a fraction of the cost. ADI's mission is to improve people's lives by designing the most beautiful, low-maintenance desktop ecosystems ever. Back this project now and get yours today at a discount. Share with friends and family. This is the future, a living space that works for you. Let's bring nature back into our lives and blur the lines between outdoors and indoors. EcoCube Air. Transform your living space.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin. This is our 3rd Kickstarter. With the EcoCube C, we brought living decor to homes all over the world. Now we're taking it one step further and making that decor work for you. Our backers made the EcoCube happen and continue to drive our innovation for a more beautiful, better, healthier world. Thank you all for the support. Back the Kickstarter today. Share it with your friends and family. Transform your living space with the EcoCube. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Naor Cohen. Last year we launched the Spherificator, which was successfully funded on Kickstarter. We are here today to present to you our new product in the Smart Kitchen product line. Sous vide cooking is the fastest growing category in the home appliance department. We weren't trying to reinvent the wheel, but definitely knew that there was much more improvement to be made. We took many devices, reverse engineered them, and bring you today the Smart Kitchen Sous Vide Precision Cooker. For starters, we looked at stability. Most products in the market are either round or have irregular shape. We opted for a 4x4 square shape to give it extra stability. Whether you put it in a pan, a pot, a jar, doesn't really matter. It's going to hold perfectly stable at the bottom, and to secure it, there's an extra clip on the back. The Smart Kitchen Sous Vide Precision Cooker is the only device in the world made entirely out of stainless steel, from the outside body to the internal components. To give it a timeless design, we added a touchscreen panel, getting rid of all buttons and all unnecessary movable parts. Time could be set up to 99 hours, and temperature up to 90 degrees Celsius and 195 degrees Fahrenheit. For maximum water circulation, the vents were installed on both sides of the device as well as at the bottom. For cleaning, a removable panel was installed on the back of the device. The Smart Kitchen Sous Vide Precision Cooker was built for both the commercial kitchen and the home cook in mind. The water circulating motor was built with a turbine leg device to maximize water circulation for any container or pot from 5 to 22 liters, with a temperature precision of 1/10 of a degree. 2 extra features were added which cannot be found on any other residential sous vide devices. We added a reset button in case of a power surge, as well as a safety feature that would automatically stop the device from heating if pulled out of the water. This feature protects the heating element to avoid dry heating. The Smart Kitchen Sous Vide Cooker is precision cooking made easy. You can cook any type of food, vegetables, fish, beef, chicken, rack of lamb, even rice and quinoa. Whether you use a vacuum-sealed bag or a Ziploc bag, the final product will always be perfectly cooked. Our precision cooker gives you the freedom to have your food cooking all day, ready to eat when you arrive home from work, without ever burning or overcooking. If you leave the salmon fillet for 20 minutes or forget it for 20 hours, it will always stay moist and flaky. Visit our website for an extensive list of recipes and temperature charts to have your meal cooked just the way you like it. The Smart Kitchen Sous Vide Precision Cooker, cooking made easy.